So you want to start an online business with affiliate marketing, but you have zero experience and you're convinced it costs a fortune. You've seen those free website builders, but what if I told you they're actually designed to stop you from making real money? Now, what if I also told you that in this short video, I'm going to show you step by step the right way to launch your own powerful affiliate marketing website for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees a month. By the end of this, you won't just have a website, you will have a live professional-looking site with your very first affiliate post published, ready to go. This is the only beginner's guide you'll need. Let's get into it. Before we touch a single button, we need to figure out what your website will actually be about. This is your niche. And honestly, the biggest mistake beginners make is picking something way too broad, like health or technology. You'll just get lost in the noise. The secret is to get super specific. Instead of health, try meal prep for busy nurses. Instead of technology, how about the best budget webcams for streamers? Here's a quick formula to find a great niche. First, it needs to solve a problem. People go to Google looking for solutions. Second, there have to be products you can recommend. No products, no affiliate money. And third, you should have at least some interest in it. You're going to be writing about this stuff after all. For this tutorial, I'm going with the niche home office essentials for small spaces. It's specific, it solves a clear problem, and there are tons of products to talk about. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to and pick your niche. Got it? Awesome. Let's go build your website. Okay, we need to talk about WordPress, and this is probably the most critical part of this whole tutorial. You've likely seen that there are two versions, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. They sound almost the same, but choosing the wrong one is a classic beginner mistake that can set you back months. WordPress.com offers free and cheap plans, which sounds amazing at first. But here's the catch, the free plan comes with huge restrictions. You're blocked from installing your own plugins, which are the tools that make affiliate marketing work. They also put their own ads all over your site, and you don't see a penny from them. For anyone serious about making money with affiliate marketing, the free version of WordPress.com is a non-starter. Then you have WordPress.org. This is what the pros use. The software itself is free, but it's self-hosted, which just means you need to buy a little plot of land for it to live on the internet. This gives you complete freedom. You have full control over how you make money. You can install thousands of powerful free plugins and themes, and you actually own your online business. For the control and flexibility needed in affiliate marketing, WordPress.org is the platform you want. And while it's not free like a can of soda, setting it up is incredibly affordable. So now that that's cleared up, let's go set up your WordPress.org site the right way. To get our WordPress.org site online, we need two things: a domain name, which is your site's address, like yournichesite.com, and hosting, which is the actual space on the internet where your site lives. Years ago, this part was super technical and a huge pain. Today, it's surprisingly simple. There are a lot of great hosting providers, but for beginners, I usually point people toward companies like Hostinger or Bluehost. They're very affordable and make the setup process a breeze. The process is pretty much the same for all of them. You'll go to their website, pick a basic plan. It's usually just a few dollars a month to start, and during checkout they will often let you choose a domain name for free for the first year. Just be aware that the renewal price for hosting is typically higher than the introductory offer, so keep an eye on that. Once you pay, you'll land on your control panel. This is where the magic happens. Look for a button that says Install WordPress or Auto Install. Every modern host has this one-click feature. All you have to do is enter your site's name, create a username and password for yourself, and click Install. And that's it, seriously. The hosting company does all the heavy lifting. You now have a live WordPress website. Your login page will almost always be yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Go ahead and bookmark that right now. Welcome to your WordPress dashboard. I know it can look a little intimidating, but we're just going to focus on a few key things. First up, let's make your site look professional. We do that with a theme. On the left-hand menu, go to Appearance and then click Themes. Now click Add New. You now have thousands of free themes at your fingertips. The trick is to pick one that is lightweight, fast, and clean. Don't get distracted by all the flashy animations. For an affiliate site, speed and simplicity win. 3 of the best free themes out there are Astra, Bloxy, and Neve. For this video, I'll search for Astra and then click Install and Activate. Just like that, your site has a whole new look. Next, we need to create a few pages that every website needs. Go to Pages on the left menu and click Add New. Create these 4 pages. First, Home, that's your future front page. Second, Blog, where all your review articles will live. Third, About, a quick page about you and what your site is about. And fourth, Contact, a simple way for people to reach you. Don't stress about writing an encyclopedia right now. Just create the pages and hit publish. We're just building the skeleton of your site. You now have a professional-looking site with a real navigation menu. You're making incredible progress. By the way, if you're getting value out of this, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps the channel. Oops. Plugins are basically apps for your website that add new features. Since we chose Wordpress.org, we can install anything we want. On the left menu, head over to Plugins and click Add New. For a brand new affiliate site, you only really need 2 types of plugins to get going. First, an SEO plugin. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's how you'll eventually get found on Google. The best free plugins for this are Rank Math or Yoast SEO. We'll search for Rank Math, click Install, and then Activate. It has a setup wizard that makes it super easy to get the basics right. Just follow the steps. Second, you need an affiliate link manager. This is so important. Instead of using those long, ugly affiliate links, these plugins let you create short, clean links that you can easily track and manage. 2 of the most trusted free ones are Pretty Links and Thirsty Affiliates. Let's install Pretty Links. Search, install, and activate. Now, when you have an affiliate link, you can just pop it into Pretty Links and create a clean URL, like yoursite.com/recommend/product name. It protects your links and makes you look way more professional. With our foundation set and our tools in place, it's time to create the content that's actually going to make you money. It's time. Let's publish your first affiliate post. This is the moment your website turns from a project into a potential business. First, you need an affiliate program. For total beginners, the Amazon Associates program is the easiest place to start because they sell, well, everything. Go to the Amazon Associates website and sign up. But keep in mind, Amazon wants to see that you have a site with original content. To get and keep your account active, they require you to make at least 3 separate qualifying sales within your first 180 days. So it's important to start creating good content right away. Now let's write the post. A fantastic model for a first post is the Best X for Y format. For my niche site, I'll write a post titled The 5 Best Space-Saving Desks for Your Home Office. In your dashboard, go to Posts and click Add New. Put in your title. Then for the introduction, write a few sentences that connect with your reader's problem. Something like, trying to cram a functional office into a tiny apartment. Finding a desk that actually fits can feel impossible. In this guide, I'm showing you the 5 best desks that give you maximum workspace with a minimal footprint. Then, just list your products. For each one, write a short, honest review. Don't just copy and paste the official description. Tell people why it's a great pick for them. Then add your affiliate link using a button or just a clear text link. Before you smash that publish button, there's one last non-negotiable step, the affiliate disclosure. Both by law and by the rules of every affiliate program, you absolutely must state clearly that you may earn a commission from your links. The keywords are clear and conspicuous. This means putting a simple statement right at the top of your post where nobody can miss it. Something like, As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. This post may contain affiliate links, which means I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Being upfront like this builds trust, which is your single most important asset. Amazon specifically requires a statement like this to be on your site. Give your post one last read through. Does it have a great title? Does it actually help someone? Are your affiliate links working? Is your disclosure clearly visible at the top? If you answered yes, then congratulations. It's time to hit that publish button. Your first affiliate marketing post is officially live on the internet. Just take a second and look at what you've done. In just a short amount of time, you went from zero to a fully functional, professional-looking affiliate website. It's built on the right platform, and you have your very first piece of monetized content out there for the world to see. You've busted through the technical hurdles and the fear of getting started. You now have a real online asset. The journey from here is all about creating more helpful content, but the hardest part, actually starting, is officially over. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what niche you chose for your new site. I love seeing what you all come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.